you are still extracting text in an old, boring and complicated way. And honestly, you don't need to do that anymore. You don't need to install any third-party app. You don't need extra tools. The magic is already sitting inside your smartphone. AI is everywhere now. So why struggle? Today, I'll show you how you can extract text from anywhere, any website, any image, or any social media. And you can even extract comments directly from YouTube or Instagram without any hassle, only with just one command. Let me show you a quick example. I've opened the comment section of Instagram Reel. Now normally, you can't copy text from here, right? And this is where the trick comes in. Instead of struggling, just ask your inbuilt AI assistant, Google Gemini, to do it for you. Okay Google, extract the text for me. And boom, that's it. Now I can easily copy the comment or even text from an image. Let me copy this. And I can simply paste it here. That's it. Simple, clean, no extra apps. And here's another cool thing. You can even tell AI to take a screenshot for you. It can be used when you're watching a reel and want to capture specific content. No awkward finger gymnastics. Just a command. Okay Google, take a screenshot of the current page for me. See? Again, we are just letting AI do the boring and twisted work for us. By using this simple trick, you can save yourself from complex and outdated methods of extracting text. And at the same time, you can use AI for many other everyday tasks as well to make life easier. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you and you found it useful. Thanks for watching.